Pushes it up to Gabe Norwood. This is Wong. Gets a screen from Borboran. Long two-pointer. Adrian Wong hits the two-pointer.
Black trying to create. Gets hemmed in. Poor pass. Three-point play there. Nice challenge by Maliksi, but in the end, it's going to be 2 points here for Wong.
Two big turnovers.
Hasn't had to do a lot in this game.
Wong misses that three.
Oh gosh, look at Big Gabe.
Wong brings it closer. Finally hits. Even more stability. This time in the front court.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
The rain or shine Elasta Painters are now up by 4. Wong with a three. Knocks that down.
They'll sometimes drop step into the guy that's double teaming, and usually they'll get the ball taken from him.
Wong hits from the outside. 10 seconds of shot clock. Open. Bang. Wong. Herndon. They get it out. Easy two there.
Out to Wong. Inside now, they go. Kicks it back out. Adrian Wong open for three once again.
There you go. Look at this shot once again by Wong.
Like they just left him.
Well, he is.
Nobody challenged.
He is.
Norwood can just see over those defense. One of the big point guards here in the PBA.
Easily break that press. Three there for Wong.
You know, youth. You can't coach youth.
True, but he's really looking to make something happen for his team. And
It's a pass. Three a little bit too strong. Final possession. Wong hits that three.
Gives it out. Good drive inside. Borboran. Again from the outside. And the first 3 points.
Johnson, nice handoff. Santillán wasn't expecting that one. Wong for three. Yes, he's got two now.
Lead is 14. Gabe Norwood to a cutting Wong. Wong the fadeaway from the baseline.
Oh, good steal. Adrian Wong with a lot of time remaining, and he will end the first.